I'm Carolina Richwala by name. I work in Masaka Hospital as a clinical officer. I'm also trained in Dermato-venereology services. So here in the hospital, I run 2 clinics. I run the ENT clinic and the skin clinic. The ENT clinic, it is on daily basis. Then the skin clinic, I run it once in a week. That is a Tuesday every week. In the skin clinic, we have many cases, especially if you come to the kids. We have papular urticaria, the eczemas like atopic eczema, seborrheic dermatitis, lichen simplex chronicus. Then we have the bacterial cases like impetigo, soft skin infection. We also have some autoimmune diseases like the pemphigus foliaceus, bullous impetigo, linear IgA, and among others. In a day, because the skin clinic is run only once in a week, I can see like 100 patients in a day. As a clinical officer in Uganda, I promote health. We do some health education, though sometimes we don't have time for the patient here in the hospital. But if you go in the community, you do some health education. Even the small time we get when we come into contact with a patient, we do some health education. We diagnose, we assess, we treat, we do some investigations to the patients. We even do other services, like maybe if there is any shortage, like you go to accident and emergency. You can also go to antenatal care to provide that service. But right, me particularly, I'm only in skin and ENT service. Dermatology officers in the world, they should be more recognized, number one, because some of us were not recognized, like the dermatology officers, like in our country. We are not even on the cadre of the Ministry of Health in terms of payments, salary. We just do it voluntarily, like the dermatology office. So what I encourage more, to train more clinical officers and put them in periphery areas like the health centers, so that more patients are catered for. Because more, especially clinical officers, are the entry to the patient to come to the hospital. Because they refer the patient to the hospital, complicated cases to the main hospital, if they start from the health center. The clinical officers, once we are trained, from our training, we get few refreshers courses. We need them all the time, because medicine keep on changing. So we need frequent refresh courses. Some refresh courses are expensive. We can't sponsor ourselves. But if there are sponsors who can sponsor us and we do more, maybe to polish up on our skills. In the whole region, Masaka, plus Masaka Hospital, I'm the only trained dermatology officer. In case I'm sick, I've gone for annual leave, the clinic is closed. So I would wish to train more dermatology officers to come on board and help me.